Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Introducing our lightweight electric screwdriver, your perfect partner for daily household maintenance. With 6+1 adjustable torque settings, a 1/4 inch chuck, and a maximum torque of 50 Nm/Ps, it's engineered for precision and convenience. Its adjustable angle ranges from 120 degrees to 180 degrees, allowing you to access even the tightest spots with ease. And the forward-reverse switch lets you effortlessly tighten or loosen screws. The built-in LED light at the front brightens your work area as you operate, while the additional LED light below doubles as a handy flashlight. Just press the bottom lens to activate it. Powered by a 4-volt lithium-ion battery that offers excellent capacity and longevity, the screwdriver also features a power indicator that stays lit during operation and charging, keeping you informed of the battery level at all times. The 2025 new exclusive design cordless oscillating tool, a game changer for your DIY projects. This innovative tool features a powerful brushless motor with 6 adjustable speeds, freeing you from cords and outlets so you can work effortlessly in tight spaces, on active job sites, or even outdoors. Designed to work seamlessly with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries, it offers enduring, reliable power for every task. Whether you're switching from precision polishing at low speeds or tackling robust wood and metal cutting at high speeds, this multi-tool adjusts from 8500 to an impressive 21,000 OPM, making it versatile enough for any project. Crafted for durability, its all-metal gear case withstands heavy impacts, while the rubberized handle provides a secure grip, ensuring both comfort and control throughout your work. Crafted with premium double 500D polyester fabric and meticulous stitching, this tool bag is built to last, offering exceptional durability and reliability even under demanding conditions. Its spacious interior, complemented by 7 intelligently designed exterior pockets, provides versatile storage for hand tools and a range of small to medium accessories. The bag's wide-open mouth, reinforced by an internal metal frame and secured with a top double pull zipper, ensures effortless organization and quick access to your essentials. An argyle plastic pad further enhances its resilience by protecting the bag from hard falls and keeping it clean and dry. Completing the design, an extra padded handle and adjustable shoulder strap deliver superior comfort and secure transit, even when carrying heavy loads. Experience precision with this mini saw, designed to deliver a maximum speed of 3,400 RPM for efficient multi-purpose cutting. Engineered for versatility, it easily tackles soft metal, branches, wooden boards, and more, though cutting metals requires a specialized metal saw blade. Equipped with a 4.5-inch blade operating at 3,400 RPM with no load, it comes with 2 interchangeable blades, a 24-tooth wood saw blade, and a 60-tooth metal saw blade that can be quickly swapped using the hex key. Perfect for miter cuts, bevels, framing, and edging. Its angle guide and quick adjustment add a huge degree of versatility to your cuts. For added precision, a laser guide illuminates your cutting line, ensuring a professional parallel cut every time. Safety is enhanced by a double protection switch that prevents accidental startups, while a soft rubber handle minimizes vibration for improved control. Experience the perfect blend of simplicity and functionality with the Avid Power Car Air Pump. This smart inflator offers a stress-free auto shut-off feature. Simply preset your desired pressure and let it do the work, stopping automatically once the target is reached with an accuracy of 1 psi. Powered by a robust 20-volt rechargeable Li-ion battery and a versatile 12-volt DC adapter, you'll never be stranded on the road. Whether you're inflating car tires, motorcycle wheels, bicycle tires, sports balls, or even inflatable pool toys, this pump is up to the task. Crafted with high-quality materials, it inflates a 95/60 R14 tire in just 3 minutes, and a 215/60 R16 tire in 5 minutes to 38 psi. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic shape lets you use it on the ground or in hand, while a built-in LED light illuminates dark work areas. Discover the exceptional power and efficiency of the TEENO 20-volt cordless electric ratchet wrench, engineered to deliver a robust 89 feet-pounds of torque for even the most demanding fastening and loosening tasks. Its advanced motor, paired with a variable speed trigger, allows you to fine-tune the wrench's performance, ensuring precise control for both delicate adjustments and heavy-duty operations. With 2 interchangeable Li-ion battery packs, you can seamlessly alternate power sources to extend operating time and reduce downtime. Designed with a unique recessed head profile, this ratchet effortlessly accesses tight spaces, while its industrial-grade chrome vanadium steel construction guarantees durability and corrosion resistance even in harsh environments. A 16-inch body with an ergonomic rubber handle minimizes fatigue, and a 3/8-inch drive head accompanied by 9 socket packs provides the versatility needed for a wide range of applications. Unleash your inner survivalist with this all-in-one multi-tool kit, featuring 14 versatile tools including an axe, hammer, knife, screwdrivers, and wrenches. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel that's both rust-resistant and built to last. Whether you're gearing up for a hunting trip, camping adventure, or simply need reliable emergency gear, these robust tools are designed to cut, pry, and twist with ease. They're even capable of breaking window glass or cutting through a seatbelt in a critical escape situation, making them invaluable for roadside emergencies. Housed in a durable nylon pouch for secure storage, an additional smaller pouch safely holds the blade to prevent accidental injury during use. Discover the ultimate solution for battery care with advanced 7-stage quick charger, meticulously designed for 12 volts and 24-volt lead-acid Li-Fi PO4, marine, and deep cycle batteries. With a powerful output of 12 volts 20A and 24 volts 10A, this charger not only powers up your batteries, but also maintains and repairs them for peak performance. Its innovative winter and summer modes, guided by smart temperature controls, ensure the optimal charging rate while preventing battery drain. The built-in repair mode revives old or idle batteries with high and low frequency pulse technology and seamlessly transitions to trickle float charging when fully charged. An extra-large LCD screen provides clear, real-time updates on voltage, current, temperature, and charging status, even in bright sunlight. Complemented by heat and oxidation-resistant copper cables and robust protection circuits, this charger delivers a safe, efficient, and reliable performance that extends your battery's life and ensures your vehicle is ready for every adventure. Introducing our 6-piece screw extractor set, the ultimate DIY tool that every handyman secretly needs. These extractors are engineered to work with any drill and can tackle any screw or bolt size, making it easy to reverse damaged screws by turning them counterclockwise until they're freed. Made from high-speed steel with a hardness rating of 63 to 65 HRC, these durable tools are designed to remove even the most stubborn screws with minimal effort. Not only are they highly functional, but they also make an ideal gift. Wrapped in a stylish package, this screw extractor set is perfect for dads, husbands, teens, or any DIY enthusiast, making it a fun and practical stocking stuffer or holiday gift. With just 2 simple steps, drilling the correct hole and using the right extractor, this set delivers confidence and peace of mind for every project. Experience the power and precision of the Avid Power 20-volt 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, now featuring a real-time battery level display so you're always aware of its charge. With an innovative 15+1 torque setting system, you can effortlessly drive screws in and out without the risk of stripping, while also tackling drilling tasks in wood, ceramics, plastics, and metal. Enjoy maximum torque capabilities, drilling up to 13/16" in wood or 3/8" in steel, ensuring you have the right power for every job. The compact, lightweight design coupled with a superior motor minimizes fatigue during extended use, and the rubber-covered handle offers a comfortable, secure grip for one-handed operation. Additionally, the flexible shaft reaches tight spaces. The LED light brightens dark work areas, and the variable speed with electric brake function guarantees precise, controlled performance. The 650-watt palm router motor delivers robust performance for an array of routing and edging tasks. Its dynamic speed control lets you easily switch from lower speeds, perfect for delicate machining of soft materials, to higher speeds for rapid finishing on harder surfaces. With a stepless speed adjustment feature, you can precisely set the operating pace to suit any project, which not only boosts efficiency, but also minimizes tool wear and extends the cutter's lifespan. Widely used in cabinet making, chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, and planing wood edges, this versatile router is an excellent companion for both professional woodworking and creative DIY endeavors. Its sturdy, rubber-covered base provides exceptional stability and a comfortable grip, ensuring superb control during operation. Plus, you can effortlessly adjust the cutting depth with the easy-to-use depth adjustment knob. No additional tools required.